Hello everyone. In today's video I am going to show you how to replace your backlights with LEDs on your Skoolie. So the stop, running, and the turn signals with LEDs. And I'm going to show you how to put these LED front lights in your bus. So if that's something that you want to learn how to do on your Skoolie, make sure you stick around till the end of the video, and I will have a link in the description for the lights that I do use to do this. Let's get into the video. I just realized I was supposed to put this seal on before I just did all that. So I'm gonna cut all those, reconnect them after this is on. I'm not gonna film that. I just checked both the turn signals and they're not working. So I had power, or a positive and a negative for both sides on the turn signal, and nothing's going on. So I think I got to do chassis ground with this white wire. So I'm going to do that and see if it's going to make it work. We had the red lights, our running and brake lights work. It came with 3 wires, positive, negative, and a chassis ground. So we just hooked right up and it worked great. So I'm assuming that's what's going on here. We're gonna put a chassis ground in and attach it to the other chassis grounds inside, which I'll show you, and then we'll check it again and see if we got turn signal. So I'll show you where we're gonna do the chassis. We're gonna attach a wire there again, like you've seen a million times, and then I'll show you where the chassis ground is inside, and we're gonna pop one on there. Oh, you see that right there? That's the chassis ground for the other light right there. So I'm just gonna run a wire from there to that chassis ground and attach it and see if that fixes our problem. Yay! So as you can tell, that fixed our signal problem. So we try to get a chassis ground on. So if you're gonna do these LED light conversions in the back here, you wanna pull the panels off the other side so you can get to all that stuff easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a ground wire on here, and we'll touch base after we get that done. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope that you learned how to put the LED lights on the back, the stop, running, and the turn signals in the back, LEDs in the back, LEDs in the front. I hope you learned something. If you thought this video was helpful, let me know down below. If there's something I could have did better, let me know down below as well. If you are new to this channel and you're building a bus, or you just like bus life adventures, or you just like watching bus stuff and you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing, because that's all we do here. And if you're been a subscriber forever, I got so much love and respect for you guys. This is Isaac signing out. I'm gonna end this video right here and kind of make it a tutorial kind of deal, and then we're gonna keep building for the rest of the day, but that'll be in another video. So this is Isaac signing out. Peace.